Hi, this is Basic Chemistry. Welcome to a new reaction series. The behavior of NBS change with the solvent system. So we will see how this will react based on a solvent system. Generally, NBS maintain the mild concentration of Br2 in the reaction medium. Now, Br2 at presence of any kind of olefin react in different way. If there is a polar solvent, then Br2 react like this way. These attack over there and this attack over there and form a cyclic bromonium type ion, which is like this, right? Now this type of bromonium ion is positively in charge in the transition state, therefore it gets stabilized at presence of polar solvent like water or any kind of polar solvent. Therefore at presence of polar solvent the reaction goes through this type of intermediate, but at presence of any apolar solvent or non-polar solvent like CCl4, this type of intermediate will not form because this type no stability of that type of intermediate. In this case, Br will act as a radical and it will pick up the allylic hydrogen and gives this type of intermediate, and after that this radical take the bromine dot and form allylic bromide type reaction. So their behavior are different. Now we will discuss about the examples come previous year in CSIR NET and GATE. Now our first example is like this. In presence of this type of olefin there is also allylic hydrogen as well as this is a polar solvent medium. So as we have discussed the concept before, in presence of polar solvent it's favor this type of bromonium ion. If we draw the bromonium ion, Br positive. I have drawn pretty bad, please consider that. Now at presence of base it will provide OH minus, CO3 is a base, K2CO3 is a base and it's provide OH minus, which will form a epoxide from the bottom because this is from up, and the reaction goes like this. This will be upside Br and this will one OH will be downside because this attack from the bottom. Now this OH, this oxygen lone pair attack from the bottom and kick out the bromine minus and gives this type of epoxide from the bottom phase. Right? Now at presence of a Lewis acid BF3, it chelate with oxygen and it undergo a rearrangement as both the side is equivalent, so any of the bond can migrate. If we migrate this bond and followed by this reaction will gives this type of product, right? Now come to our next question. This is very important question. At presence of NBS, where this is the aqueous medium, so this is also a polar medium, so as previous it will also form a bromonium ion type intermediate but below the plane because the above the plane is hindered by this tarred butyl group, which will prevent to form a cyclic ion in above the plane. So the reaction will be like this, it will form below the plane. After that in basic medium OH minus will attack from the above the plane and it will form this type of product. Now at presence of another equivalent of base, it will take that hydrogen and this OH minus attack from the above of the plane and kick out the Br dot and form a epoxide from above the plane, which will be in the same side of the tarred group. Right? Now at presence of Me2CuLi, that is basically a methyl donor, it will attack from the bottom. As this is the equivalent center, this center or this center are equivalent, so any center it can attack, and this will give this type of product. Now comes to our next question, where this is very simple. This is a non-polar solvent. There will not be any kind of bromonium ion type intermediate. In this case, bromide dot will react over there, and it will take allylic hydrogen. As we all know, these hydrogens are allylic. There is two equivalent of NBS. So first equivalent will take hydrogen dot from there and form a allylic bromide. But after that the bromine dot have two choice to reacts. One is from this allylic hydrogen, another is from this allylic hydrogen. But as this allylic hydrogen is sterically hindered due to presence of another bromine, therefore it will go for that hydrogen and form the radical over there, and this radical will take another set of Br dot and form this type of product. Right? So this is the answer. This is very simple, but we have to take care of that the solvent is polar or apolar. Now our last example. This is also very conceptual. At presence of AIBN, so this is AIBN. At presence of heat, it generally form this type of homolytic cleavage, and this radical activates the allylic hydrogen. It takes up the allylic hydrogen. Their allylic hydrogen is there and there, so it can take this allylic hydrogen and can form this type of radical, which can go a resonance and form this type of structure also. Then the marked carbon will be over there and form this type of structure, which is similar to the mother structure. But if this AIBN take H dot from this center, it will form, and after resonance it will form this type of product, which is different from the previous. So the level carbon is over there, which is sp3, but in this case the level carbon is on sp2. So this is two different. Now if there is two different, so from there at presence of Br dot there will be two product. One is this, the mark over there, and one is this mark over there. Let's call it A, this is B. From this structure there will be two product. One is this on the marked carbon, and another at the opposite of the marked carbon. So this is C and this is D. So A is to B is to C is to D will be 1:1:1:1. In the question on the CSIR net, there only was A, B, C. So their only result will be A is 1:1:1. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tutorial, and for any help you can mail me on basicchemistryhelpline@gmail.com. Goodbye.